Never in its history has the United National Party acted violently. Whoever it is that was behind this incident needs to understand that what they did was completely wrong. They threw dirt in the face of the people of the South. This is a disgraceful act. In the civilized world, no one will ever approve of such an act. If anyone thinks that they can act in this way and make the United National Party victorious, it is a dream. Not only that, no matter who it was that was involved in this act, they must be removed from the field of politics, regardless of their status. If this does not happen and the public take this as an example, then what will happen? The entire country will become a battlefield. By taking such measures, do they expect to make the United National Party victorious? No. So what will happen? Millions of supporters will be saddened by this incident because the supporters will see them as people who have never engaged in politics. Regardless of who they are, the people involved in this must be cornered and removed from politics. It is pointless if this does not happen. This is what needs to be done immediately.
මේගොල්ල දේශපාලන වශයෙන් අයින් කරන්න කොම් කරන්න එහෙම නොකරොත් වැඩක් ඒකයි වහාම කළ යුතු
Now, as mentioned earlier, problems that have arisen surrounding the UNP leadership were discussed at length today at a meeting of the UNP parliamentary group.
And a majority of the MPs had questioned Ranil Wickremesinghe at this meeting on the mechanism for the transfer of powers from the party leader to a leadership council.
They had also requested the opposition leader to make comprehensive clarifications regarding the proposed leadership council. MPs had noted that the views expressed on matters discussed during yesterday's working committee meeting have been contradictory. Wickremesinghe had noted that a name had not been decided upon for the council to oversee the transfer of powers, adding that this could be decided upon later. Wickremesinghe had added that as per the decision of the working committee, the powers that would be vested in the council in question and the mechanism to implement it should be decided following discussions between himself and MPs Sajith Premadasa and Karu Jayasuriya. Ranil Wickremesinghe had also informed the parliamentary group that he hopes to refer the results of the discussion to the working committee once again and obtain the necessary approval.